wonder how AI is reshaping the way we manage supply chains? It's not just a buzzword, it's a game changer. Step 1. AI analyzes data in real time, predicting demand like a crystal ball. No more guesswork, just smart decisions that save time and money. Step 2. Automation streamlines processes, reducing human error and speeding up delivery. Imagine your products arriving on time, every time. Final step. AI enhances visibility, so you know where everything is at all times. This is the future of supply chain management, and it's happening now. Are you excited about AI? Yes!
Thank you so much for watching this video. Please like, share and subscribe. Keep watching and stay tuned. Bye bye.